How to fix lag and performance issues. Is your game stuttering? This guide shows you how to fix lag and performance issues in darkest days. Go to Settings and Graphics. If you're experiencing lag, switch the graphics quality to smooth or low. Also ensure your frame rate is set to medium to prevent your iPhone from overheating. Darkest Days is a resource-heavy game. Always close all the background apps before playing. If the lag persists, go to the game's login screen and tap the repair button to clear the temporary cache files. Check your ping. On the login screen, make sure you are connected to the server closest to your physical location. A green ping number means a smooth connection, while red means high latency and lag. Smooth gameplay makes for better survival. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days tech tips.